13 Most Profitable Woodworking Projects to Build and Sell. Put your good skills to a rewarding profession by exploring through our 150 most profitable and small woodworking projects that sell. People love brand-inspired things or pieces of DIY furniture, decor items, wall art to buy with the same appeal but fewer holes in the pocket. If you have this loving urge to build something out of scratch or transform old, worn-out things into these catchy and beautiful house decor upgrade items, you are going to love our inspirations below. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video. We have gathered here some brilliant and most profitable and cool woodworking projects that sell using our step-by-setup free woodworking plans. Imagine how lucky you could get by turning your hobby into your profession to make a profit and get famous too. All of our woodworking projects have detailed free plans, step-by-step guides, material, and supplies details from the start to end. Even if you are a beginner at woodworking, you can still nail this like a pro. From shelves made with industrial pipe and wood to wooden daybed and caddies, console tables, coffee tables, DIY picture frames, and perfect DIY gifts, we have got it all. These small woodworking projects can be easily pulled off from the comfort of your home or your garage. See for yourself. 1. DIY under-bed storage. Name any storage option more cherishing and magical than an under-the-bed storage pull-out drawer. We can bet there's none. You can manage your craft supplies, in this case, your gift wrapping supplies or anything, and then whoosh. It's gone like magic. Out of sight and out of the clutter zone feeling. This DIY under-bed storage is magic of plywood scrap. 2. Build wood storage cubbies. Wood storage cubbies with added metal details are making us go all drooling over this piece of a perfect woodworking project. This decorative woodworking plan is made using the fancy metal details, featuring brass as the cubby's base, copper, and stainless rods. You can easily make and sell these superb mid-century and ultramodern vibes. 3. Wooden tea light holders. Do you have a candle obsession? We believe candles should be scientifically declared as antidepressant therapy or something of the sort. These beautiful DIY teapot candle handlers that you are seeing are super easy to make. They are made using the two simplest supplies, including wood glue and wooden curtain rings. 4. Wooden spice rack. Knock, knock. Who's there? Well, it's the kitchen police. All hands on deck to rescue you from kitchen cabinet clutter. Check out this classy and super delicate DIY spice rack displays and delicate test tubes from our list of woodworking projects. Hanging from a walnut frame. You will require a hardwood like walnut to pull this woodworking plan off. With some test tubes, cork stoppers, and a few other supplies. 5. Wooden Lego bin to sell. If you have been looking for ways to nail at the make and sell woodworking projects, you are totally going to love this one, and undoubtedly, it is going to be your best seller. Because, well, every house has a Lego tsunami going on. This Lego basket features two perfect handles space to carry it around, and it comes with a base plate storage. Beat that. 6. Homemade outdoor wood steps. Get your hands on some pressure-treated lumber and have a party down the woodworking plans lane with this free woodworking plan for these gorgeous wooden stairs. You will need about 2 of 2x8x8, 2 of 2x6x12, 2 of 2x6x8, and just 1 of 2x4x8. Along with table saw and other basic craft supplies. 7. Shoe storage wooden shelf. If, like most people, you too are bothered by a cluttered space, here's one of cool woodworking projects for you. This one will not only help you get productively busy, but you can also display and use your shoe collection as a decor item. You will require some 2x2 and 2x12x8 pieces of wood, a half of wood dowel, wood glue, miter saw, some more supplies. 8. How to make wooden egg holders. If you have been collecting a huge number of eggs from your flock lately, this might be time to either start gifting them a round of just putting the fresh, organic eggs for sale in these durable and catchy wooden egg holders. While holidays are around the corner, you can also craft these beginner woodworking projects and send them as perfect holiday gifts. Will go best with Easter for sure. Leaving the wood raw and unfinished will give it a subtler look. 9. Totally genius shelving unit. Fasten your wooden goals and hop onto our brilliant IKEA hack train. Hunker is here with a perfect IKEA transformation of a simple IKEA shelf to a totally genius wooden shelving unit. If you have a smaller space available like in the hallway or a less spacious office, it is going to be a cool and minimalistic shelving unit for you. 10. Teacup bird feeders. This DIY bird feeder is totally going to add up to your decor, and it looks absolutely homey to us. How about getting a whole lot of even more crafty outside with a pallet board, painted as per the shade of your choice, some antique teacups and their china dishes, some hooks, and durable thread to put food for our feathered friends? 11. Build a live edge slab bar top table. The first step towards working out things with a live wooden bar is to pick out the wooden bar. The tutorial here has worked with an 8+ footer, which seemed perfect for a heightened table for a bar. After careful sanding, you can finalize the look by adding more character to it with a varnish using our 25 DIY live edge wood projects to make it home. Get the complete and free woodworking plan here. 12. Wooden sign electrical panel cover. Almost every house suffers the ugly side of a breaker panel in plain sight. If you have been wondering how to cover that up while staying in the aesthetics, here's a great woodworking plan for you. Check out this rustic wooden sign to cover the breaker's irony. It is super easy to put with a walnut wood stain, paint, glue, and some more supplies. 13. Wood nightstand. Have you been searching for more exciting small woodworking projects that sell? How about a minimalistic and uber stylish Scandinavian nightstand? You can happily build the whole thing by working around with some pine plywood, metal hinges, screws, table saw, wood glue, screwdriver, drill, and a taste for aesthetics. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.